Making money online is exciting, but generating passive income through digital products takes it to another level. Imagine waking up to notifications of sales while you sleep. Sounds appealing, right? Let's dive into 5 actionable steps to transition from having no knowledge about digital products to earning passive income. First, focus on your marketing strategy. While many suggest starting with a niche, we recommend choosing a marketing strategy first. Your marketing approach is crucial because it's what attracts buyers. You can either sell on established marketplaces like Amazon KDP or Udemy, build your own audience on platforms such as YouTube or Instagram, or tap into existing communities by selling to other people's audiences. Each method has its merits. Pick one and commit to it. Next, immerse yourself in your chosen marketing strategy. If you decide to sell on marketplaces, learn about keyword research, SEO, and product optimization to stand out. If building an audience is your path, understand platform algorithms, brand building, and how to convert followers into customers. For selling to other audiences, grasp community rules and establish your authority. This knowledge will save you time and effort. The third step is selecting the right product. This can be challenging, but it's vital. People typically buy what they recognize they need. Determine whether your product is a hobby item or a problem solver. If your goal is to make significant income, focus on products that solve problems. If you're unsure what problems you can address, reflect on your skills, knowledge, and experiences to carve out a suitable niche. After that, create your minimum viable product, or MVP. This is the simplest version of your product that delivers maximum value. Instead of a lengthy ebook, consider a concise version that still provides essential insights. Launching your MVP quickly allows you to test the market and gather feedback, ensuring your product aligns with buyer needs. Finally, prioritize marketing. Depending on your strategy, this will look different. For marketplace selling, prioritize upfront keyword research and SEO to enhance visibility. If you're engaging your audience, consistency is key. Show up daily, provide value, and link back to your products. When selling through others' audiences, subtlety is essential. Trust is built over time. In conclusion, there's no universal strategy for selling digital products. These 5 steps cover various approaches, so choose what resonates with you and take action. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to never miss an update.